Montag lieben, Glauben, Globen.
And all the girlies say I'm pretty fly for a white guy.
You know it's kinda hard just to get along today. Our subject isn't cool, but he fakes it anyway. He may not have a clue and he may not have style, but everything he lacks, well, he makes up in denial. So don't think fake, play us straight.
Good morning, beautiful people. So we're up on this cold and chilly and almost rainy Saturday. This is the first, as you saw from the title, this is the first Cars and Coffee of the year of 2023. So I just pulled in, we got rollers coming in, so let's go ahead and check them out.
Cruising in a whip, bands dance on the dashboard. Wanderlust lips got stamps on the passport. Act like you know me, I don't think that you do. I think that I'll be alright as long as I'm in with you. Cruising in a whip, bands dance on the dashboard. Wanderlust lips got stamps on the passport. Act like you know me, I don't think that you do. I think that I'll be alright as long as I'm in with you. LA palm trees blurry in the midnight. I just hit the switch and dropped the top. I'm feeling real right. Probably hit the city engine bouncing up the windows. Switch the gears and hit it. I don't care where we go now. I just hit the gas, now we're sliding on the freeway. Don't know how to act in the Lambo, it's the speedway. I feel like a rebel, hit the paddle, press the pedal. You the angel, I'm the devil. Now we're all alone now. I got time, if you got time, I got one.
I'm gonna go ahead and head over to the show. I want breakfast. I'm gonna see what they have to offer here. They do, looks like I see Chick-fil-A from here, and I think they got, well, coffee. Wouldn't be Cars and Coffee without, you know, the coffee and the cars. So, as you can see behind me, right back there, there's a ton of vendors. You got Chick-fil-A, you got a couple of coffee companies, so they got everything to offer here. So don't drop or get breakfast for coming in. We got breakfast here. And if you ever need to know the location, it's just right here at the Ford's Garage on University. It's probably one of the biggest Cars and Coffee I've ever been to.
We'll shut this down, I'll come right back through if you're all in now. Cruising in a whip, bands dance on the dashboard. Wanderlust lips got stamps on the passport. Act like you know me, I don't think that you do. I think that I'll be alright as long as I'm in with you. Cruising in a whip, bands dance on the dashboard. Wanderlust lips got stamps on the passport. Act like you know me, I don't think that you do. I think that I'll be alright as long as I'm in with you.
I missed the chicken biscuits. Well, that sucks. They said they're gonna get more in about 10 minutes, so I guess that's what's good about having a local Chick-fil-A. Anyways, I gotta have my chicken biscuits, so we'll be back here in 10 minutes.
Sometime I just needed an excuse to make some melodies. I don't really care about the past now, cause you're all mine. You got everything I need, girl, you're my remedy. Hold up. Yeah, I'm barely going in, I'm barely zoning in. They put me on the map and now I'm rolling in it up and roll around town, around the city, bumping some brand new tracks. You don't really wanna be me, this stuff looks easy, but I've been living is not how you see me, not how you perceive me. I've had some better days.
I got time, if you got time. I got one more night before my flight, so let's make this count. We'll shut this down, I'll come right back through if you're all in now. Cruising in a whip, bands dance on the dashboard. Wanderlust lips got stamps on the passport. Act like you know me, I don't think that you do. I think that I'll be alright as long as I'm in with you. Cruising in a whip, bands dance on the dashboard. Wanderlust lips got stamps on the passport. Act like you know me, I don't think that you do. I think that I'll be alright as long as I'm in with you.
Man, I love coming to this show because there's always a wide variety of cars. And I got some really good freaking roller shots today. I'm using a new gimbal head, and I have to say it's working pretty good. So beautiful RX-7. So many good cars. I can't wait to get the oh, where are you going, gimbal? I can't wait to get the Miata to finally be good for the show so I can bring it in. It just needs those coilovers.
They like to swap ends a little. The last one that I drove at Sebring had a giant wing on it.
Man, I love it. It's still streetable. Definitely got to run the Stop Tech brakes. Now, why did I never think of that for my roll bar in the Miata? That would have stopped a lot of wind and probably a lot of noise. It's actually pretty smart. This thing is just awesome. And just a big old LS in it. Oh, I love it. So much work, so much beauty. Big freaking turbo. I was here too early. The people are just now starting to roll in, and while I was back there goofing off, I missed so many cars coming in. Well, unfortunately, my time is up here. I gotta head off to work. It's a Saturday. The droid's working at a dealership. So I think this is gonna be the last Cars and Coffee where I park in the overflow parking. I was looking at other cars. They're just like mine where they're coming through and they're not like super clean or anything. Like there's a little bit of dirt or something. So you know what? We'll attend next Cars and Coffee. And I gotta make sure I can get out so I can at least get to work as well. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Please, if you guys haven't already, hit the subscribe button. It helps me out so much. This YouTube thing is something I want to continue doing. In the meantime, I'll see you guys on the next.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8-day wake up.